What if I told you you could wake up every single morning richer than you were yesterday, without working an extra hour? Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, what if I also told you that thousands of regular people are already doing it? Because they discovered investments that pay them daily? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down 7 legit investments that can put money in your pocket every single day. And trust me, by the time we hit number 7, you'll realize you've been sitting on a goldmine without even knowing it. Oh, and before you start daydreaming about sipping coconut water in Bali while your money works for you, let's actually make sure your money knows how to work. Let's start with the simplest one. A high-yield savings account. These aren't your grandma's savings accounts, paying you 0.01%. Today's online banks can offer 4% to 5% annual interest. And the best part, they compound daily. That means every single day, you earn interest on your balance and on the interest from the day before. It's not a fortune overnight, but it's the easiest daily earner out there. Think of it as your financial warm-up before the big leagues. No, it won't make you a millionaire by Friday, unless you already are one. Next up, we've got dividend stocks. Shares of companies that pay you a slice of their profits. While most pay quarterly, some ETFs like SCHD or SPHD pay monthly, and a few dividend funds even distribute daily interest. It's like owning a tiny piece of a money machine that keeps sending you thank you notes in the form of cash. If you reinvest those dividends, your wealth can snowball, slowly at first, then suddenly. But if you think stocks are the only way to get daily returns, wait till you meet this next one. Imagine being the bank without owning one. That's what peer-to-peer lending allows you to do. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper let you lend money to others and collect daily interest as they repay. The returns, 6 to 10% on average, depending on risk. It's higher than most traditional banks, but fair warning, you're taking on more risk too. Still, for those who diversify smartly, this can be a powerful daily cash flow generator. Basically, you get paid for being everyone's favorite rich friend. What if you could earn rent money every day and without ever fixing a leaky sink? That's the magic of real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul pool investors' money into properties. You earn daily rental income and appreciation, and watch your money grow as tenants pay rent. It's like owning a slice of the city's skyline, shut from your couch. And if you're thinking real estate is too slow, the next one pays faster than you'd expect. Welcome to the digital frontier, crypto staking and DeFi yield farming. When you stake coins like Ethereum or Cardano, you earn rewards every day just for holding and validating the network. Or, in decentralized finance platforms, you can lend crypto and earn daily interest that beats most banks. But remember, with great yield comes great volatility. Always stake what you can afford to lose and keep your wallet secure, because of one lost password, and boom, your passive income becomes past tense income. If you want real estate income without the hassle, REITs are your best friend. They own and manage income-producing properties and pay out 90% of their profits as dividends. While some pay monthly, others calculate your share daily and distribute later. Think of REITs as rent checks without tenants. It's one of the most underrated ways to build daily passive income through the stock market. But this last one, this is where the real financial fix happens. Here's the truth. The most powerful investment that pays you daily is one you build yourself. That could be a YouTube channel, an online course, an app, or an affiliate marketing business. These digital assets can earn daily, sometimes even hourly, from ad revenue, sales, or commissions. It takes effort up front, but once it's built, it pays while you sleep. That's not just passive income. That's freedom income. And no, watching Netflix doesn't count as building an asset, unless you own Netflix stock. So, there you have it. 7 ways to make money every single day. From high-yield savings and REITs to crypto and digital empires. Remember, wealth isn't built by chasing quick wins. It's built by planting seeds that grow while you rest. The question is, which of these seeds will you plant today? Because if your money isn't working for you, you're still working for it. So hit that subscribe button, because your financial fix starts now.